Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. This is RCC Slab. I will show you some big mistakes practically in the construction of this slab. This slab steel reinforcement is ready. Now it's time to do its concrete work. If you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel with press bell icon to get notification for new update civil engineering videos, because every day I am uploading these types of practical video. Guys, you can see this is the spacing between main bars and distribution bars, which is 12 inches. So this is one of the big mistake. That's why, because the spacing of this slab is from one column to other column about 18 by 18 feet, and you can see they provided single mesh and the spacing is 12 by 12 inches, which is not sufficient, but this is the maximum spacing of main bars and distribution bars, and the dia they used 10 millimeter. So this is one of the big mistake. That's why, because for normal residential building you can't go more than 7 by 7 inches, but this is one of the commercial building, so it will make sagging, or here we have positive bending moment. Due to positive bending moment, we are providing minimum spacing of RCC slab. Next, guys, you can see on the top of the beam, you can see clearly inside this beam they provided lapping, which length is about 12 inches, which is not sufficient. So therefore, you are not allowed to provide lapping at the distance of L by 4. Unfortunately, they did. If you see, we have more sections of this slab where they provided the spacing 12 by 12 inches with minimum dia, which is 10 millimeter. You can see the concrete cover is already done, which is 25 millimeter or more. But normally, you can't go more than 40 millimeter. That's why, because of this is RCC slab, top and bottom we have 1 inch concrete cover or 25 mm, but they did about 2 inches. So this is also the second mistake, guys. You can see clearly the concrete blocks are already provided here. If you are working on construction site, so this practical video can help you. That's why, because if you don't know about the practical things, so you are not able only for theory. If you are only reading the theory, so you are not able to do anything. So therefore, I am guiding you for practical videos. Guys, you can see they already provided extra steel rods. It's okay, but at the middle, the spacing should be minimum, which is up to 7 by 7 inches you can use, but not more than that. They already did 12 by 12 inches, guys. You can see clearly, but this is two-way slab. Therefore, from both sides or for both direction, you can use minimum spacing. This is a short video, but very important to know about these things. The spacing of extra steel rod is 8 by 8 inches. The column size is here 21 by 21 inches. That's why, because of this is 5-story commercial building. Now this is ready for concrete work. If you see on the other side, you can see that is the chaja or shade, which is up to 2 feet. The sanitary, the electrician work is already done. You can see clearly. The lapping should not be provided, especially inside the beams. Guys, you can see they already provided lapping, which is about 12 inches. So this is not good. That's why I'm showing you this practical video.